In order to have an effective search engine marketing campaign, we highly recommend you install an analytics software. A great free tool out there on the web is called Google Analytics. You can find Google Analytics at google.com/analytics. Here, you will put in your information, include your email address, your website address, your URL, and then it'll actually give you the code with directions as to how to install the analytics code. Once you've installed the analytics code, it is important that you go into Edit Settings and establish your Google goal points. This may also be analytics settings. But you'll want to set your points as G1, G2, G3, G4, and identify different goal areas. If you have more goal points than 4 on your website, you can actually install a second Google Analytics code as well as the first one and have 2 Google Analytics profiles, allowing you 8 specific goal points. Now, some of the key variables that you're going to see on your Google Analytics accounts are going to be visitors, which is the number of people that came to your website. You're going to have pages per visit, which reflects how many pages somebody had looked at on your website itself. You're also going to have bounce rate, which determines how many people showed up at your website and left on the actual front page or only looked at one particular page on the site itself. You're also going to have the percent of new visitors actually coming to your website. And you're also going to have average time on site, which is the amount of time people are spending on your site in particular. And you can even see down to a page where people are spending time on your site. Google Analytics is a very deep program, and there's a lot of depth as to how to actually look at the information about your website. You'll also be able to see the different traffic sources driving visitors to your website, which could be Google Organic, Google CPC, Yahoo Organic, Yahoo CPC, or your blog, for example, a Craigslist posting. There are many different areas that could draw in traffic sources to your website that Google Analytics will actually be able to show you. The first step, once again, is to go to this website here and follow the directions and install Google Analytics so you can see how people behave and interact on your website itself. Google